Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video for our eyes, we are going to be using, I'm going to be trying to make like a fall cool tone, which I know fall is warm tones, but we're going to try for a cool tone fall eye. And I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette from ANASTASIA of Beverly Hills. And I think I'm going to use these three colors right here. Maybe some more, who knows. But those are going to be my main picks for this. So I'm going to start off with my Essence eye base. Trying to cancel out all that purpleness so I can put more purple on top, right? Just going to take my sponge and spread that out. I'm trying a new concealer and I don't really like it. And I put it on my eyelids, so hopefully it won't ruin our look. So let's go into, I'm just going to go into actually this lightest color here, which is Tempura, just to set that I just put on. Just going to put that all over the lid to make sure that when I start putting on colors, they slide and blend nicely over the top. All right, so let's go in for our transition color. I think we're going to go in with this, like they got names, but I have to put my glasses on every time. So this one is called, and I can't even read them, Buon, B-U-O-N, Fresco. Buon Fresco. Couldn't see all that dust either without my glasses. So that's the one we're going to go into. That's that middle one, the lighter purple. And I'm going to start in the crease, in the outer part of the crease. And then just pull it up. Up, 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 up. All right, now I'm going to go into Antique Bronze. This one right here. And I'm just going to add that to the crease. Staying lower, a lot lower than that last color. All right, now I'm going to go in with, I think with my finger, and just add this to the center. Got a little high on that one. That's what happens when you have fingernails. looks pretty good, huh? All right, I'm just gonna go in with some of that darker brown, the antique bronze, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom right along the lash line. And you want to connect it up to where you put it on the top. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into this lighter purple color, the Bueno Fresco, and just smudge out that bottom that I just did and bring it straight up into this part up here. And I'm going to go in with my black tattoo liner. I feel like I got a lot of fallout in my eye because it feels like it. And I'm going to push line. Aren't these cute earrings? Target. Okay, I'm going to push line, and to push line you put your little finger on the center of your eyelid and you kind of push it up towards the top so that your eyelash curls up around your finger, and then you draw between the lashes. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and smudge that out. And when I smudge it, I go back and forth and I pull it up onto the top to make a smudgy liner line. So I spread it between the lashes so there's no skin showing, and then I pull it up so that that's my liner. Sometimes you got to go back and add a little more because it seems like it's darker right there, and I want it darker towards the outer corner. So I just add a little more and go back in and smear it around so that it matches. And there you go. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera, do my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I added my mascara. The mascara I am using, I'm currently loving, is the So Fierce from Revlon. I put 2 coats. I put this on, I curl my lash, I put this on, I curl it again, I put this on, I curl it again, and then I add the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. It's the one with the green writing, and I just think they're amazing. I haven't worn false lashes in a while because I have these and they seem to be working really good. I still use the Grande Lash Serum like every other night because I don't think I need it every night and it's expensive. So anyways, that's it for our, I think I'm going to call this our first Cool Tone Smokey Eye of the season. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this on all your social media. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can get, and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!